mound structures, but all three of them were, you know, not a rock to be seen. It was coral rubble as far as the eye could see, and live coral up on top, and a cover of live coral that I've only seen in a couple of places.
Yeah,
it's a lot of living, growing reef.
And it was everywhere. I mean, all the way up the slope from the base to the top.
What we've added up so far is, what, 86 miles?
We thought that that was going to be just like an escarpment, basically rock. And so it was really surprising when we got there, and it looked very similar to what you all saw. Just coral along the edges and live coral on top.
So now that we know this is here, we could think about, well, wait a minute, you know, the possibilities for where Lophelia could be forming reefs are now bigger than they used to be. So that's a real fundamental change in how we do exploration out here.
Yeah.
It's brand new. It's really different than anything we've seen before. The temperature profile is really weird here. And in a lot of ways that suggests to us that there are a lot more connections to shallow water than we would expect at 700 meters. All those waters are mixed. Everything that's happening up at the surface is very quickly being translated down to 700 meters. We see swordfish swimming all over them. You know, there's these big fish coming down to interact with these habitats. And
connections between water column productivity and the seafloor productivity, which cycles carbon and nutrients around. So putting the whole picture together gives us more predictive power that management can use to try and conserve and protect the systems.
And that's really the ultimate goal of deep search, is to be able to inform the management agencies about the importance of this habitat, and then they can protect them. Limit as much as possible the human impacts in what are still relatively pristine coral reefs. You know, there aren't many of those left on Earth, and we just found a really big one.
Yeah.
This is huge. This is a really big finding. I'm thrilled.
Yes, absolutely.